External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is expected to visit Canada next week. His trip is likely to include a meeting with Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney as well as talks with his counterpart Anita Anand. Jaishankar is also scheduled to attend the G7 Foreign Ministers meeting, which will take place on the 11th and 12th of November in Ontario. This visit comes at a sensitive and strategic moment. India and Canada are working to rebuild their diplomatic ties after a long period of tension. A shift began earlier this year when Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Carney held a one-on-one meeting during the G7 Leaders Summit. That conversation helped pave the way for confidence-building measures between the two governments. In August, both countries appointed new high commissioners at the same time. Those diplomats have already presented their credentials and started work at their respective missions. Jaishankar's visit next week will mark the second round of high-level talks between the two countries in just 2 months. Canada's Foreign Minister Anita Anand was in New Delhi last month, where she met Jaishankar and also called on Prime Minister Modi. During her visit, the two sides unveiled a new roadmap for cooperation. This includes collaboration in areas like advanced technology, civil nuclear projects, trade, and critical minerals. Both sides also agreed to relaunch older mechanisms such as their energy dialogue. Coordination in security matters is also picking up again. In September, Canada's National Security Advisor met with India's Ajit Doval in New Delhi. That was the first high-level security interaction after months of tension. But all this progress comes after a long period of strained relations. Ties deteriorated sharply after former Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau accused India of involvement in the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a designated terrorist who was shot dead outside a Gurdwara in British Columbia in June 2023. India firmly rejected Trudeau's claim as absurd and motivated. The tensions from that moment led India to cut Canada's diplomatic presence in India, and later New Delhi recalled its own High Commissioner and 5 diplomats from Ottawa. As of today, India says that Canada has not shared any concrete evidence behind its allegations. But things have changed since Mark Carney took office. His approach has been more balanced. Both Carney and Modi seem to agree that complex security issues should be managed by the right agencies, while other parts of the relationship, technology, trade, and diplomacy should move forward. Canada is also under new pressure to engage India, especially after Donald Trump returned to the White House and reshaped global diplomacy. With that context, Canada's desire to restart talks on a free trade agreement with India is growing. But as India's High Commissioner in Canada pointed out recently, those talks will only restart if Ottawa takes the first formal step, because it was Canada that suspended negotiations last year. So Jaishankar's upcoming visit could mark a turning point. It may either cement the slow thaw or expose deeper challenges still lingering under the surface. Either way, all eyes will be on Ontario next week.